In this Raspberry Pi Pico small car lesson, we're going to learn to control the car with the app. The app will display the speed. We can turn on and off the light. We can set the speed. We can see the speed with this app. And also we can drive the car in all directions. Welcome to Raspberry Pi Pico Smart Car course by Robojax. My name is Ahmed Shamshiri and I will be your instructor for this course. This course is based on SunFounder's Raspberry Pi Pico 4-wheel drive car kit. Beside this 10-lesson course, the kit has full documentations, step-by-step instructions, wiring diagrams, Python codes, and example projects available for download. The car can be controlled using mobile app for mobile or tablet, where you can control the car fully forward, backward, turn right, turn left, and also you can turn on and off the light. You can set the power of the motors. You can see the speed in meter per second. You can see the radar obstacle avoidance data where the obstacle is. Also, you can see the line tracking or a halo deep sensor data. It can track a line or follow the line. It has cliff detector and it can follow your hand and it can avoid obstacle and drive. The kit is available for purchase on SunFounder and major online stores. The link to purchase the kit is below this video. Now let's get started with controlling the car with the app. If this is the documentation page, go to Get Started, Examples, and at the bottom click on Control the App, and this is the page. Here everything has been explained, but I'm going to show you in the video step by step so you understand it easily. To get started with the app, go to your app store, either Google Play or Apple. Just search for SunFounder and you will get SunFounder Control app and install it. Now let's open the app. And I'm turning it in horizontal. Let's add. First, let's type a name for it. I'm just typing a name and then select the type. We are using Pico 4-wheel drive. It is selected. Now it's gray. Confirm. And then we have this screen now. Screen, let's touch this area, this gear here. And then we have to set our value for the clef and for the grayscale value. This is grayscale value, the clef reference. We will enter some number. Remember from our previous numbers that we have. So I'm entering 1200, and then the line reference. This was the value that we detected the line, which was around 12,000. Here, let's put 10,000 and we can change it if it doesn't work. 10,000 and confirm. Now that's done. We have the value set, and from here also we can control the light. Once you're done, we have to click on this save button here. Now that screen disappeared and it is saved now. Now the car is connected via USB. Make sure to click here and click again on the COM port, Raspberry Pi Pico. So the car is connected now. Go to examples and then app control. Select all. Right click, select all, or press Ctrl A and then copy. Right click, copy. Then open the main here, which is from the device. If I double click, it will open. If you don't have the main, let me just delete it. So let's say you don't have it. Create a new file or click File, New. You will see this screen. I've changed the setting of my screen. Don't worry, it's the same thing. Right click and paste. And now click Save or go to File and Save. And this time select Raspberry Pi Pico. It will go here and then name it main.py and click OK. I just closed it because it was open. So click File and Save Raspberry Pi Pico again and then main.py. Click OK and it will be saved here. Now this main file is available and we can do it. Now we are going to connect this via Wi-Fi and it will be called my 4WD car. Now we will be connecting to this and this is defined as access point and here is a password 123 up to 8 and everything is ready. And your car is on. I'm just turning it on from here and the light shows on. Then run the code. It's just printing all this text. Let me stop it, see. So when I stopped it, scroll up, this is the IP address for our device, 192.168.4.1, because we need it. And now we have to remember the IP address of the car, 192.168.4.1. We need this. Now let's connect our phone to that IP address of my car, 4WD, and enter the password 1234567 and then click join. Wait until you see it's connected. So we got connected here. Let's connect manual and we will enter our IP address. So 192.168.4.1 and this was our IP that I entered from the screen and click connect. It's taking longer, I don't know. So it says connection failed. Now let's run this again. Now this is running. Now let's connect again with the same IP and it got connected immediately because the device is now running, because the car is running. And now if I connect this, click on this play, now I got connected and the radar is already searching and looking for obstacle or something. This is setting the power of the motor from 0 to 100% and this is showing the speed in meter per second with a dial. This is showing the speed in digital and this is showing the radar obstacle, whatever, if there is an obstacle in front of it. this will turn on and off the light. And these three are for the grayscale sensor. This is for controlling the vehicle forward, backward, right and left. And right now the car is beside me. If I turn the lights on, you see the green, the light is set to be green, but we can change that. So this is turning on or off the light, and this is showing the value from grayscale. Right now it doesn't read any value. Now it read something. If I put this paper here, let's see what it reads. It gives you the value 1460, 1280, three of them on the white. Let's see, if it touch it, it doesn't do anything except it might read it in a few seconds. Yes, so it says only the right is reading about 9,000. Now let's put it this way, so three of them, 1200, 1500, 1600. It's also the power from here, but the car will not move. 55%. Now the car is disconnected. Let me turn it on. Let's go to our Wi-Fi, my 4WD car, and get connected. So we got connected. For the car, click on connect, and so we got connected without any wire. And after about 1 minute or so, when I did not touch it until I prepared the tripod, it says disconnected, so confirm. Now let's connect again. So this is not connecting. Perhaps I have to restart the car. Just turn it off and turn it on. Car is there. Now I rebooted twice. Now touch and connect. As soon as it's connected, the servo started running. So the power is at 50%. Let me turn the lights off, the green light. Perfect. So that is working. Now let's go forward. Perfect. So let's go. And here the speed also shown. And the grayscale is also showing. And here the radar also shows the obstacles. Red dots. Let's rotate to the right, or just come backward and then turn right, go forward, and it shows the speed 4 meters per second or so. Let's increase the speed to 100% and go faster backward. No, just rotating. And going forward. Let's go backwards. Turn left, go forward. I forget about forward. And as you can see, the car is perfectly functioning. Can we press both? No. 14 meter per second, 14 centimeter per second, and it shows the obstacle on the path.